Hello everyone, myself Ketan Chandrakant Shinde. Again welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Wives. Today video is based on second part of various or different dosage form, in that monophasic liquid dosage form. So please see this video up to the end to clear all topics. So let me start our today's topic, monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage form means these are the liquid preparation in which there is only one phase. म्हणजे असं लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन की ज्याच्यामध्ये फक्त एक सिंगल फेज असते. इट रिप्रेझेंट बाय दी ट्रू सोल्युशन्स. अ ट्रू सोल्युशन इज अ क्लिअर homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving a solid, liquid or gas in a liquid, and the component of solution present in large amount is known as a solvent. म्हणजे एखाद्या लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन मध्ये जे काही कंपोनंट आहेत ते लार्ज क्वांटिटी मध्ये किंवा प्रेझेंट असतात, राईट, त्याला काय म्हणतात, सॉल्व्हंट. अँड द कंपोनंट प्रेझेंट इन स्मॉल अमाउंट नोन ॲज अ सोल्यूट. आणि जे कमी प्रमाणात असतात त्याला काय म्हणतात, सोल्यूट. सो वॉटर इज द mainly used as a solvent for the majority of monophasic liquid dosage form, right. This monophasic liquid dosage form, which are having some advantages, usually faster acting than the solid dosage form. Solid dosage form पेक्षा त्यांची ऍक्शन कशी आहे, फास्ट आहे. मे बी इझियर टू टेक दॅन अन ओरल सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म फॉर पेशंट हॅव्हिंग डिफिकल्टी स्वॅलोड इन टॅबलेट और कॅप्सूल. असे काही पेशंट आहेत की ज्यांना सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म इनहेल करता येत नाही, ऍडमिनिस्टर करता येत नाही, डिफिकल्टीज आहेत त्यांना ऍडमिनिस्टर करायला, स्वॅलो करायला, त्यांच्यासाठी लिक्विड डोसेज फॉर्म कसा आहे, इझियर डोसेज फॉर्म आहे. मोर फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी इन डोसेज दॅन सम अदर डोसेज फॉर्म. त्याची फ्लेक्झिबिलिटी चांगली आहे. मे बी मोर प्रॅक्टिकल टू ऍडमिनिस्टर दॅन द सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म फॉर स्पेसिफिक पेशंट केसेस अँड हॅव्हिंग अ गुड पेशंट कंप्लायन्स. म्हणजे त्याच्यासाठी पेशंटचा रिस्पॉन्स हा कसा आहे, चांगला आहे. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज क्लासिफिकेशन. These monophasic liquid dosage form are basically classified into two classes: liquid meant for internal administration and liquid meant for external administration. So today we only study in this video is a liquid meant for internal administration, for example mixture, syrup, elixir, linctus, etc. Right. Second class is a liquid meant for external administration. It also classified into two classes: application on the skin, for example liniment and lotion. Second one is a use in the mouth, for example gargles, mouthwash, throat paint. And third one is a instill into body cavities, for example douches, eardrop, nasal drop and nasal spray. This is the classification of monophasic liquid dosage form. In that first is a liquid meant for internal administration, for example syrup. Syrup is a sweet, viscous, concentrated or nearly saturated aqueous solution of sucrose containing 66.7% weight by weight of sugar. राइट. सिरप कसा आहे, स्वीट आहे, गोड आहे, विस्कस, जाड आहे, कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड, नियरली सॅच्युरेटेड आहे ॲक्वियस सोल्युशन सुक्रोजचं. राइट. त्याच्यामध्ये सुक्रोजचं प्रमाण किती असतं तर 66.7% weight by weight of sugar. According to IP, according to USP, the sucrose contains 64.74 W by volume of sugar and having a specific gravity 1.31 gram. The syrup containing medicinal substances are called as a medicated syrup. असे काही सिरप आहेत की ज्यांच्यामध्ये मेडिसिनल सबस्टन्सेस आहेत, त्यांना काय म्हणतात, मेडिकेटेड सिरप. अँड द सिरप containing aromatic or flavor substance are known as a flavored syrup. These syrups are very commonly used for some reasons, like the syrup retard oxidation, right, because it is partially hydrolyzed into reducing sugar such as lactose and dextrose, so that they prevent oxidation. Also it prevent decomposition of many vegetable substances. Syrup have high osmotic pressure which prevent a growth of bacteria, fungi and mold which are chief causes of decomposition in solution of vegetable matter, so that the syrup is a work as a self preservative. They are palatable, ते रुचकर आहेत, चविष्ट आहेत. So due to the sweetness of sugar, it is valuable vehicle for the administration of nauseous substances. This is all about syrup. The syrup are now used for formulating antibiotics, antihistaminics, sedatives, anti-tissues, vitamins, and bitter or saline drugs. This is syrup. Second example is elixir. Elixirs are clear, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquid intended for oral use, and the main ingredient of elixirs are ethyl alcohol, and in the concentration of 4 to 40% or 5 to 40%, water, then glycerin or propylene glycol, flavoring agent, syrup, and some suitable preservative. Right? And the medicated elixir usually contains some very potent drugs such as antibiotic, antihistaminic, or sedatives. The flavoring elixirs are used as a flavor and vehicle. This is elixir. And next example is linctuses. Linctuses are viscous, liquid and oral preparation that are generally prescribed for the relief of cough. The liquid preparation containing high concentration of syrup intended to be sipped and swallowed slowly for treatment of cough. They contain a medicament which have a demulcent, sedative or expectorant action, and the linctuses should be always taken in a small doses or sip and swallowed slowly without diluting it with water, because in order to have a maximum and prolonged effect of medicament, right, to get a maximum and prolonged effect of medicament, the linctuses should be taken in a small dose or sip or swallow slowly without diluting it with water. This is a linctus. So if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe this video, and share this video with your friends and many other groups. Thank you very much.